What's up, everybody? It's Justin. Thank you all again for following the Wolves of Wealth Discord and following me and everybody in there. We have some pretty smart, intelligent people in there helping everybody out. So thank you. I want to give a shout out first to Watering Grass. She's the one who made this play. She brought it to light earlier today. And what it is, the ticker is TLSS. It is a transportation company. It is a penny stock. It's on the OTC markets. It's pretty high earlier in the year. Seems that they were in some debt, but seems that they're reconstructing the company now, getting everything right. So what I want to first do is just kind of go over just a little bit of research on it, why I think it's a good play. If you take a look right here, it says in a recent trading volume has increased, steadily topping $700,000 per day in recent dollar volume. Earlier this year is at 27 cents. Right now it is at a penny. So huge upside potential. It's been trading at a penny for months now, and now it's at 0.014. So a penny and a half, essentially. So why I really like this is right now the company, it says company's doing huge numbers. After the first 9 months of the year, TLSS reported $23.5 million in sales, putting them on track to make $30 million by the end of this year. The reason that the increase in sales was actually due to the expansion into new markets, Florida, Georgia, Ohio, and Tennessee, securing new businesses, a full 9 months of operations in its box truck line business. So right there, I think that's a great sign. They entered new markets, which means I only see that growing, especially if they already see the revenue grow from them entering these markets. They should only see more of that to come. Let's see what else that we can find here that makes this look like it's a good company to invest in. They maintain their level of employed drivers throughout COVID. They're from New Jersey, operates through 2 subsidiaries, focus on deliveries to the retail consumer for online retailers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Ship Direct LLC, a transportation company with a focus on tractor trailer and box truck deliveries of product on the East Coast of the United States from one distributor's warehouse to another warehouse, from a distributor's warehouse to the post office. They own and lease. So that pretty much saying that they own companies that do all of that. The company owns and leases 256 trucks or delivery vehicles, employs 588 drivers. So that's good. So that means they have a pretty big fleet. GRC Trucking is also now a wholly owned subsidiary of TLS and adds 20 more drivers with an additional 32 trucks total. And that's more FedEx, UPS, and USPS point deliveries. So that's great because, I mean, I don't see FedEx, UPS, or USPS going out of business anytime soon. They are only going to keep shipping things. So another good sign. And just the overall sign that they're reconstructing the company. You know, they're on track to make $30 million this year. And I think the market cap is roughly around 22 million right now, 22, 23 million. So at that rate, their essentially price to earnings would be negative. So, I mean, a lot of companies, at least price to earnings are 1.5, 2 times its value. So you take a look at that. If it does go to 2 times its value, you're at 3 cents there at a $45 million market cap. So definitely I see there is huge upside potential in it. And then right here, yep, TLS is led by CEO John Mercadante, who's leading a reconstructing effort, which includes cleaning up the balance sheet, improving operating results to better position the company for future growth, as well as uplisting it to the OTCQB venture market, where the stock will significantly be more attractive to investors. And then right here, it looks great. It says they've already submitted an application to uplist. So they're currently in the process of doing that. I mean, when a company I feel when a company is trying to uplist, trying to get to a higher exchange to collect more, to get more investors' eyes, bring more money into it, I think, they definitely have a forward-looking view on their company and trying to improve things and make them better. So it looks like they're definitely on track to doing the right things to make this stock, jump over these next couple of days, months, years, possibly. So let's take a look at the chart now. You take a look at the chart over here. Earlier in the year, around 20 cents. It did say 27 cents, so I believe that was at the beginning of the year this year. Had some highs and lows, highs and lows. When you get down here, so about since it hasn't reached its point since October the 20th. So roughly 2 months since it's reached its point now. It kind of dropped a little bit, no volume, no volume. And now we see the volume starting to pick up right here at 0.014 is where it's at. So, I mean, with the volume, I think I want to take a look at this on Thinkorswim real quick. Don't mind those tabs. I download a lot of music. So yeah, so look at it here. The average volume of it's 24.3 million. The volume yesterday or today actually was 76.9 million. So that's almost triple, essentially triple the volume of where it usually trades at. So that shows that it's definitely bullish. Seems that a lot of people are in it and that it is definitely going to get pumped from where it's at. I mean, from where it was the low of a penny, it's only been pumped up 40%. You see these penny stocks get pumped up thousands of a percent when they're this low. And so I don't know. I just see great upside potential. I think it's a great play. So I thank you, Water and Grass, for it. I suggest everybody to do their own research on it. Ticker is TLSS. I'm probably going to be buying into it tomorrow. So I'll definitely let everybody know on the Discord when I do, how much I do, so y'all can see how I trade. And I just want to leave everybody with a quote. It says it's from Bill Nye. I don't know if it really is or not, but it says, "Everyone you will ever meet knows something you don't." So no matter where you are in life, how successful you are, people are below you, people are above you. It really doesn't matter who you meet. There's always something that you can learn from somebody. So when you go out there, when you meet people, just, have it in your mind that this person can teach me something instead of like looking down on somebody, or you see somebody way more successful than you and you're like, oh, I can never be them, oh, they look down on me. Just have that mind, have a positive mind frame that everybody can teach you. All right, well, I hope everyone has a good night and I will talk to you later.